What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets Delta A220-300s. I got two of them here, as they're growing in popularity and they're becoming more common in LA and elsewhere. So I decided to pick up two. And yeah, so these are the recent releases this year, or well, not this year, it's last year, end of last year. Let's get right on into it. So we'll open up one, we'll review one, and we'll just have the other one open as well. So I'll just put that off to the side for now. But here we go. Good old GeminiJets box, whatever. This is their second release of this aircraft. But it was due because the other one sold out really fast and I couldn't find it. So I needed to get some. So I was glad they re-released. This is 305 Delta uniform. Let's get right on into it. Here we go, here we have the model. Got the plastic. Alright, all looks well. Not falling apart, that's a good thing. Alrighty, fantastic. Fantastic. We'll just open up the other one too, why not, just to check it. There we go. Looks good. Looks very nice. Alright. Fantastic. 2 for 2. It's always a good thing. Always a good thing. Alrighty. We'll focus on this one here, the first one that I opened up here, and we'll use this as the review plane. Ignore the little like dip, it's the dent in the box there. Actually, you know what, we'll put this one, we'll use this one because the box is flat actually, so adjust the camera. Alright, here we go. Not too bad looking. I see the rocket ship engines, that's great. Ah, boy. Anyway. Take a look up here. Nose. I don't know. To me, there's always something that's something's always seemed off with this nose shape. The gear is way too, like, clunky as well. That could be refined. It just seems like the nose is a little too, like, pointed to... I don't know. It seems a little off. But there's good details, like, pitot tubes and... AOA indicators and all that fun stuff are all marked on there. SkyTeam logo, L1 door, and some other good details there. Got the Delta logo and the Delta titles. Ooh, looks like some paint smudging on here. Oh, looks like it rubbed off. Okay, that's weird. You guys saw that there was some like smudged marks there, but it looks like it just wiped off my finger, which is good. Then you got the engines. Rocket ship has a rocket shipped on this side. Doesn't look like this side is. It's rocket shipped as well. God damn it. Anyway, gear alright. Wings alright. There's over wing exit markings. Not too bad. Wing tips look pretty good. Registration American flag, and then there's the registration 305 Delta uniform. An L2 door there. Not too bad. Tail cone in that area looking pretty good. You got the Wi-Fi antenna and, or sorry, the Wi-Fi box and the antennas in the back there looking nice. After cargo door there, baggage door, and then the forward car or baggage door. And yeah, so the engines, that's the only thing that's the only critique I have is the rocket ship engines. It's just like, I don't understand why. How hard is it to not make like tilted up engines? How do you not see that? And I don't want to try and like force them down because I don't want to break the model, but yeah, it's just disappointing. But what do you expect? You can't expect it to be perfect. It's GeminiJets. It's always going to have some sort of flaws, to be honest. There's very few models that don't. And when they don't, praise them, but just shouldn't be paying for rocket ship engines and, you know, clunky gear and stuff like that. But anyway, I digress. Yeah, so overall, not bad. I'm happy to have it. We'll take a look at this one. This one's honestly the same. The engines aren't. They're pretty. They're tilted as well. Still the same thing, but the mold itself is all right. I think the shape of the nose is a little off still. I don't think they've mastered that yet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. A very basic review. There's not a whole lot to go over these models. They're GeminiJets. They got the rocket ship engines. The paint and the details are all right. There's nothing crazy about it. Nothing that stands out. And a good thing there wasn't really a paint smudge. It was just, I don't know what that was. Maybe it looks like a dirty fingerprint, like something like that. But that wiped off, so no problem there. I'm happy about that. Oh yeah, let's take a look at the overall the top. That's top-down view. Got the Delta belly looking really nice, and there's just their little logo there and everything. And yeah, that'll do it. So 2 models, 2 of these. Happy to have them in the fleet. I'm hoping in the future NG will make an A220 mold or someone else just to re-release some of these models that, you know, in better quality is my hope. Will GeminiJets improve them? No, because they don't listen to customer feedback and they just don't care. Unfortunately, you and I, we've bought these models, so we've given them the money, and they're going to be like, oh, well, people like them, whatever. It's not the case, but anyway. That's going to do it for this video, guys. If you liked it, smash that like button and subscribe to see more. Stay tuned for more model unboxing and review videos and other content. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.